Okay. Alright. Hello everybody and welcome back to Final Fantasy 1 Pixel Remastered. We got the Levy Stone and we will go to the Tycoon Desert to get the airship. So we can... what is it? Can fly now? Yeah, we can fly now. Then next, go into the northern part of the map. This small area, I guess, like the shape of Sweden, Norway. So that's the main objective of the episode right now. Earlier, I just recorded a nostalgia game that is Walking Dead. I just missed that game. The season 1, season 2. No. Too quick of a plot, and they didn't give it time. That's my opinion. Season 1 is far more better for me to watch. To play. I'm sorry. I'm just, nostalgic on. But late in 12 a.m. 1 a.m. I will record it again, or I'm going to record again. There you go. Let's go. Okay. But now we will restock. Uy, that game. There you go. Okay. Okay, let's sleep. Then let's go to the southern part of the Crescent Lake. No. Let's stock at supplies first. We need that, even though we don't have, but there you go. This is far more better than Cottage. Than the sleeping bag, they are like burrito. Oh my god. Yes. Let's go. Okay. Ow. Nice. Defeat. Okay, nice. Let's summon the airship. Okay. I think in the northern part, or okay. Then next, let's class change all of them. There it is. Okay. They will use the Levistone. Yung wink. They put a cinematic on it. Back in the day, there are, I think, yeah, there's a cinematic, but not this cinematic, I guess. Oh no. What the? What did I just saw? Mode 7? Nice. What? That's mode 7. Oh my. Oh dear. Oh man, this is like SNES days. Oh my god. Oh. Oh no. My god. I can't. Oh dear. I can't. My words. I can't say words. Oh man. I can't. I just can't. Mode 7. I'm sold. What is the needed requirement for teleportation? I can't learn it. What do I need? Wait, let me look. Let's go to the southern side. Why I can't buy that spell? I need that. That is the most important thing in this game. Teleporting when going to a hostile dungeon. That's the disappointing thing eh. I don't know like why I can't use teleportation. What is the requirement? Am I going to do a class change or not? Tell it to the comments, everybody, so I can, you know, I can use it. If I'm correct on that, I am the most stupidest person. Like, it's simple. Class change. If it's class change, if my analysis, if my theory is correct, oh my god, one of the most simplest things in life. Oh man, I am so stupidly bad at this game, or I can't remember everything. Neither of those two, if it's correct. Okay. Let's go to Crescent Lake next. I think that's where the teleportation. There you go. Let's journey around first before we no. Okay. Okay. Protera. This one. Wow. I can't. Why? I know this is level 6. I have stone. My petrification spell. Then I can't use it. Why? Okay, let's go to the north. We're going here. Yep, this is the place. Where can we land? Ow. Okay. Ow. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Okay. Nice. If I need to do a class change, oh, I am going to be so mad. Okay, let's get the rat tails first, then let's go to Bahamut and end the episode. But wait, where's the place of Bahamut though? Okay, let's use the tent. Yeah, this is better than any other, I guess. The budget. If I'm correct, this is the burrito. Yeah. Every time I use the sleeping bag, oh man, I look like a burrito. Okay, you come bearing the crown. I see. Your fortitude cannot be questioned. Indeed not. Very well. I shall grant you the right to undergo the trials. Go now. Sit upon the throne. Your courage will be put to the test. If true courage dwells within you, you will find proof of it here. Oh, where? Where should I go now? Ow. Ah, okay. Then, okay, no, nothing. Alright, this is the true trial. So I can get the thing, I guess. Okay. Wait. Medusa. Oh no. Okay, nice. That was scary. I think clear. Okay, nice. Okay, nothing. Okay. Okay, Yes. Okay. Downward. Here. Yeah, that one. Here. I think let's go here. For now, let's check it. Okay. I think I got the right door. Okay. Okay, this is the same door. I think here. Up. Upper side. Okay. Okay, great house. At not needed that. Oh, okay, nice. You returning here. Thank you for that. I understand the mistake I have. I think. Here you go. Nope. Oh dear, this is the... I knew it. Oh dear. Okay, nice. Okay. 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 Okay, nice. Okay, sleep. 9. Okay. Nice. Ow. Ouch. Nice. Okay. Take here. Okay, guess that correctly. Nice. Defeat. Oh, potion. Really? You serious, dude? Here, I think. Stupid me. Okay. Okay, nice. Oh. Ow. 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 Oh man. Okay. Oh. No, no. Let's quick save again. I think here. Nice. Yeah. Ow. That was hurtful. Oh dear, nope. We'll have third-degree burns. Why the other one flee? No fighting chance? I think so. Yeah, they are nightmares because they are pale skin. I guess. There you go. Oh. Healing stop. Pure destruction is our healer. Oh man, this is so fun. Okay, nice. It's so funny that is. I found the healing stuff, but I cannot do that. Ruby Armlet, Steel Gloves. Okay. Okay. Oh man. Okay. The Ruby Armlet. Nice. Whew, nope, not gonna happen. Okay. Okay. Immediately fall. Okay. Ow. Contain gauntlets. Oh, wait. Gauntlet. Gauntlet, I think. What was the purpose of the gauntlet? Oh my god, no. No way. Okay. Okay, alright. Okay, let's go. Nice. Okay, another one. Thank you for that. Then let's go back. Okay. Let's do it. Hmm. Okay. Okay, nice. No, wait. No, this is the territory, I think. Wait. Is this where I have to go? Ouch. Little islands. Yes. Oh. Okay. Once long ago, the Northland was filled with beautiful shrines and towering mechanical castles. So very long ago. So they are hiding of something on something. It is rare. It is a rare thing that to have humans visit us here. If you are valiant warriors, you should speak with Bahamut, our king. Okay, I will. But I need to get I'm so unanswered. The dragons of the Cardian Islands have no love of senseless killing. Yeah, that is right. But humans though, now they will disagree with you. Okay. I should have already go then. Okay, let's go sleep. Only the truly brave that I can obtain a token of their courage. Shoes. Thank you. Months long ago, there was an age when man and dragon lived together. Wow. Alright. Okay, I think. Yeah. Wait, what? There are no doors here. Only these two. Okay. Part here. Yep. Tent. You do not fear me, have some spine in you, human. The question is, why should I fear you? Is there some kind of power you have? Oh, okay, nope. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Okay, this is the way, the right way. I think to the. Yep. Okay, this is the right way to the King Bahamut. Yep, this is King Bahamut. The Dragon King looks within to measure a person's true courage. This is the chamber of Bahamut, the Dragon King, and your tongue. Okay, nice. Long has it been since men of courage stood before me. Your bravery seems worthy of consideration. The rat's tail you carry is a fitting token of courage and strength. So be it. I shall honor you with titles befitting your valor. Okay, thank you. Nice. They've grown up now. Ow. Oh dear. Ice brand. Nice. Okay. I think I can buy the exit now. I hope so. So I can fight. I can teleport now after I fight the and I go to the dungeons. Let's go to the Crescent Lake. But first we will buy some what is good for the party, the magic. Okay, not this one. Okay, let's go to the bottom first, to the Cornelia. There you go. Cornelia. Not how we started. Daya, oh yes. Okay. Okay, find to your liking. Fire. So I needed that. Need that. Then the pirate place. Let's go there. Here. Let's go. Another shock. Alright. Silence. Okay. Black magic. Blizzard. Okay. 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 Need that. Need that. For the record, I need how many? Okay, nothing happened for now. Okay, nice. Fuel. Navigate. Nothing. Okay. Okay, nice. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's look at Blizzard. Nice. Okay, nice. Here we go again. Here we go. Okay. Okay, I bought the exit. Nice. This is so disappointing. I need to be something first. Okay. Level 3 magics I think is the limit for this tree. Hi. Let's go back. Okay. Okay, fame. Okay, okay, nice. Natas. Okay, nice. I think well, this is the end of the episode, everyone, of this game. Do the usual stuff, like and dislike, follow for more, and thank you for watching, everybody, and bye bye. Deus Volt.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears. Sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row for the British grenadiers.